Alright, video vlog check everybody, Azrael here and we are back again for another vlog. At sorry, meron akong pimple dito na may gamot, so pasensya na. So, ang storya kasi nito, no, I have this basic Samsung smartphone na hindi ko pa na-feature dito. No. It was sent here last September 2024 at medyo nawala ko siya, hindi ko siya makita. But then, nakita ko na siya. So, this is the Samsung A06 from Samsung Philippines. So, it's a review unit na hindi ko nabigyan ng pansin, but I heard a lot of good kumbaga side comments, no. This is a basic smartphone from Samsung. Pinakang mura nila. Well, I guess yung sa Shopee nila nakita ko lang sa 3,000 plus pesos lang to, no. So very budget, super budget siya. And this basic smartphone is you can use it as a backup phone or a parang secondary phone nyo, no? Like for example, taking calls or messages or maybe pang send yun ng GCash sa tindahan or for your kids na kailangan ng smartphone sa school nila, di ba? So this smartphone na Samsung A06, it's good for you. So medyo mababa yung specs niya, no? But before we check it out, discuss ko muna sa inyo yung tech rundown the Samsung A06. Okay, let's do this. Alright, the video vlog check everybody. Ito na yung tech rundown specs ni Samsung A06, no? For the display, meron siyang 6.7 inches sa TFT LCD display. Medyo mababa yung ano niya, no? Yung kanyang displays, but it's 6.7 inches, medyo malaki. With the resolution of 720 by 1600 HD plus resolution, so medyo mababa yung resolution niya. But meron siyang 16 million color depth at saka 60 Hz refresh rate. So ayun, yun ang kanyang specs, no? For the body, ang weight niya is 189 grams. Actually, magaan siya. Parang walang laman sa loob eh. Very lightweight ng kanyang phone. For the CPU, gumagamit siya ng MediaTek G85. Medyo mababa yung specs niya, no? It's a 2 GHz at 1.8 GHz na octa-core yung processor niya. At ang GPU niya is Mali G52MC2. For the OS, gumagamit siya ng Android 14. At ang kanyang memory, take note, ito yung memory niya, no? 4GB of RAM na walang expansion at 128GB na storage. Pero meron siyang micro SD na it can support up to 1TB, no, of storage, no, sa micro SD. Ang pinagandahan dito, no, although 128GB storage niya, but you can still upgrade it to up to 1TB using a micro SD card. Also, the 4GB of memory, wala masyadong expansion, no, or extended RAM. So, medyo feeling ko sluggish ng konti ito or medyo mabagal. No? Pero itetest din natin yan mamaya. Kasi it's a basic phone. Ganun talaga eh pag basic phone. Eh. At 3,000 pesos na phone. Saka makakita ng ganun, no? Samsung pa. For the camera specs ni Samsung A06, ang rear camera niya is has a dual lens, dual camera siya. Yung isa nun is 50 megapixel na may 1.8 aperture, tsaka 2 megapixel na may 2.4 aperture. Chinek ko na siya at wala siyang wide angle lens. For the main camera, meron siyang autofocus, wala siyang OIS, at up to 10x digital zoom ang kayang-kaya ng kanyang rear camera, at meron siyang flash, and also can do shoot video up to 1080p 60fps at slow motion na 120fps na HD video. For the front camera ni Samsung A06, meron siyang 8 megapixel na camera na meron 2.0 aperture. Isa lang yung camera niya, no, sa front camera. Wala siyang autofocus sa front camera at wala din siyang OIS sa front camera. Pero meron siyang flash at can shoot up to 1080p 60fps na video recording. For the battery specs naman ni Samsung A06, maganda, medyo malaki yung battery niya, is 5,000 mAh at can do a 25 watts the fast charge. Unfortunately, hindi ko natin matetest yun kasi it's a review unit, isang phone lang yung pinadala nila. Pero nag-charge ako sa aking mga charger dito, ng fast charging, which is very fast. So, at least meron ako dito 65 watts at least. Mabilis siya mag-charge siya. Well, if you have a fast charger, no, mabilis yan. For the other specs, Samsung A06, this is a 4G ready phone, but meron daw ibang variant na 5G, sabi nila. Pero ko pa nakikita, I'm not sure if it's 4G or 5G, alamin natin yan mamaya. And ito ay dual nano SIM, at meron siyang Wi-Fi 2.4 GHz at 5 GHz sa Wi-Fi, Bluetooth 5.3 version niya. Yung nga, meron siyang micro SD slot, USB Type-C port siya, and the version is USB 2.0, at meron siyang 3.5mm ear jack. Check nga natin. Oh, meron nga siyang ear jack. Ang galing ah. Meron siyang fingerprint sensor. Wala siyang face recognition, pero meron siyang fingerprint sensor. At I can do a smart switch to PC version. I think pagka nakano ka, parang project yata sa TV, pero siyang maging PC version, no. So ang promise ni Samsung for the Samsung A06, it can do 2 times OS updates at 4 years the security update. So September last year, so more, I think mga 3 more years pa, no, kakayanin. At meron siyang Samsung Knox Vault for security ng inyong files and data. For the body color available in the Philippines, it's blue black. This is blue black at cool light blue. Cool light blue, medyo matingkad yung kulay niya. And for the SRP ni Samsung A06, meron siyang SRP na 5,790. That's the 128GB at 4GB na version. At 3,135 pesos. 3,000 na. For the 4GB, 64GB na storage. But yung na-mention ko kanina, parehas silang 4G. 4G yung yung 5,000, itong 3,000 is 4G. But meron daw 5G na price at 6,990. 4GB and 128GB, but naka 5G siya. Medyo siguro maghahanap ka sa market kasi medyo super in demand daw tong Samsung A06 no, sa market, no, kasi it's very affordable at it's a good brand. It's Samsung, no. Can do Facebook, you can do pictures, video call, for example, pang social media siya, and also communication, at saka well yun, mga GCash transfer, for example, sa mga tindahan, no, or you're doing a business, no. Alright, so discuss na natin yung tech rundown ni Samsung A06. Ihabol natin to sa unboxing natin. Pasensya na late tayo ng ilang buwan. This is from September pa. At September na next month. Oh my God, magwa 1 year na sa akin to. At ngayon ko lang nabuting-ting. Di bale, naihabol naman natin eh. Alright, so let's do the hands-on test kasi wala naman tayong i-unbox. At sosoli ko na to kay Samsung very very soon. Alright, let's do this. Buting-tingin na natin to everything. Alright, so here's the Samsung A06 from Samsung Philippines. This is their budget version na Samsung phone. Starting a price of 3,000, 5,000, tsaka 6,000 pesos, no. For yung 3,000 niya, it's the parang 64GB of storage. So, check natin, no? So, this is the blue-black color niya. So, parang meron siyang dito, parang grills. So, medyo masarap hawakan. Very smooth naman siya. At very magaan. It's very lightweight. So, ito yung kanyang rear camera. So, yan yung rear camera niya na dual camera na 50 megapixel tsaka 2 megapixel. At meron siyang flash dito. So, ayan. So, this is the front of the phone. So, this is the 8 megapixel front camera. Ito siya, nandito siya. So, ito siya. So, sa taas, it's the, meron dito parang siguro, it's a microphone. Ayan. At sa left side, it's the pin. Pin. This is the SIM tray, no? Buksan natin mamaya yung SIM tray na yan. And also, sa ilalim, it's the 3.5mm ear jack. May microphone dito. USB Type-C. At hindi ko alam kung ano to. I think this is a speaker pala. This is a speaker. Parang speaker grill niya, isa. At sa right side is, meron siyang parang dito. Parang curve na na style niya. And this is the power button and also the volume. Pag ginagano mo ko, nagva-vibrate to kasi para ini-scan yung aking fingerprint but hindi siya gumagana. So 10 times attempt to unlock fingerprint, enter the pin instead. So ayan, silipin natin itong SIM tray. Alright, meron tayong SIM pin dito. Okay. I-check na natin to para makita natin yung tsura niya. And boom! Uy, yung galing, grabe. This is the best. Parang dual nano SIM siya. At meron siyang slot for micro SD. Galing O kaya pala mabenta to, no? Kasi ganito pala yung format niya, yung style niya, no? So makakapagdalawa kang SIM card plus micro SD card up to 1 terabyte of storage. Galing. Balikan natin to. Ang galing. So power on na natin. Actually, na-set up ko na to. At syempre, boom, fingerprint doesn't match daw. O yun, ayun na. Ay, nag-download ako ng Facebook. So, this is a Samsung A06 smartphone. So, yung style niya, medyo okay naman yung yung responsive ng screen niya. Oop, So, ito yung drawer. So, ayan. So, settings. Ito yung itsura niya. Naglagay ako ng vibration para pag ino-operate ko to nagbabibrate. Kasi pagka hindi mo feel yung vibration parang patay yung phone eh. Kaya ginagawa ko, pumunta ako sa settings, pumupunta ako sa ko ba nakita yung vibration na yun? Ito, sounds and vibration. Ito ko. At ginawa ko is system vibration. Yan, tinodo ko yung vibration para pag mga touch interaction, keyboard or charging, nagva-vibrate siya. Para at least, feel na feel ko yung phone. So, okay naman siya, actually. So, ito yung some of the menus niya. Sound, auto-rotate, flight, torch. Torch is the flashlight. Ayan, flashlight siya. Yan yung kanyang torch. Importante rin din niya pag brown out, no? Patayin natin mobile data, mobile hotspot, power saving, location, quick share, do not disturb, scan QR, and modes. So ito yung kanyang brightness. Ayan. Pwede kang mag-eye comfort, I'm comfort, or dark mode. Pwede kang mag-dark mode. Ayaw gumana ng dark mode. Ganun. Baka kailangan. Ayun, naka-on na pala yung dark mode. Naka-on na pala yung dark mode. So patanggalin na rin din natin yan. Let's go back to the normal thing. Bumalik na ba siya? Ayun, naka-on na. Ayan. Ayun. So, ano pa ba? So, ayun, you can customize this naman eh. So, merong power off dito. Ayan, yung other settings. And, fix mo yung, yung mga apps mo kung paano. So, yung for the camera, let's go to the camera. No? So, ito yung rear camera niya. 1x and 2x lang. So, wala siyang wide angle. No? So, you can zoom that to 10x. And 10x digital zoom. Then, for the video, ganun din, 1x, 2x lang din siya. Wala siyang wala siyang wide angle. So, you can zoom in up to 10x din for the video. For the video niya. For the front camera, let's go to the front camera. Ito ako, nakikita niyo ako, no? So, mag-selfie tayo. Malutong. May konting delay. Ayun. Kailangan pinod kasi nagsisave pa yata kaya medyo matagal konting delay. Ayun lang, ayun. Medyo konting delay lang siya kasi sa basic phone, mababa kasi yung memory niya 4 GB of RAM so medyo nahihirapan siyang mag-adjust pag medyo fast nakapikit tuloy ako. Ayan. So okay naman yung grabe puro nakapikit ako lahat Ayan. Okay na. And that's the for the video. For the video, selfie muna tayo for the video. Hey guys, konting delay. Hey guys, I'm doing a test of the Samsung A06 smartphone from Samsung Philippines. Ayan. So salita pa ako sa mic, no? So check natin yung video quality. Parang this is the 8 megapixel. Hey guys, I'm doing a test of the Samsung. Okay naman yung video niya. Okay naman yung video niya. So I guess for mga basic video, no? So, try natin yung rear camera. So, naka 1x tayo. So, ayan, nag-recording na. Hey guys, I'm doing a vlog test using the Samsung A06 smartphone from Samsung Philippines. Ayan. So, check natin. Check natin yung quality niya. So, guys, I'm doing a vlog test using the Samsung A06 smartphone from Samsung. Okay naman kasi may ilaw tayo Pero for sure, pag low light, madilim yan. So, kailangan may ilaw kayo pag medyo madilim. No? Kuha tayong model. Ito, si Voltes 5. Picture natin si Voltes 5. Nagawa tayo ng very quick smartphone toy photography. No? So, this is Voltes 5. May ilaw tayo. No? May ilaw tayo. Kaya medyo, this 1x and this is 2x. Wow! Lumulutang yung kulay niya. Grabe. Ganda rin maganda rin yung camera niya kahit paano no pag may magandang lighting. So grabe ang ganda ng kulay Parang pwede na. For social media, grabe ang ganda. Oh my God. Siyempre Voltes 5, ang ganda ng kulay ng Voltes 5 Kitang-kita dito, no. Bali papakita ko sa inyo to. Mag-send tayo ng mga samples para alis makita. So may autofocus nga yung rear camera niya pero medyo malapit tayo. Naka 2x pala tayo Ayan, naka 2x tayo. This is 2x, the very close up. Grabe, gandang pogi ni Voltes 5 So, check natin yung video. For sure, wala tong stabilization kasi it's a very basic smartphone, no? So, lock natin yung focusing nito. Yan, kunyari, galing sa paa. Ayan. Wala tong stabilization na. So, nakikita ko sa video Medyo shaky siya eh. So ayan, so let's stop natin, playback natin. Ay okay na. Parang nagpaling ako ganun. Hindi siya ganun ka-shaky masyado. This is very nice. Nagpapal lang ako ng ganun, no? So okay, hindi siya yung maalog kasi may mga phones ng pagka ginamit mo sa video, maalog. Ito hindi. Uy, grabe, surprising ah. Napakaganda, no? So I'll be showing you some photos, no, na kinuha lang ko dito kanina para mas makita niyo yung quality ng photos niya and also video. And also, kung meron akong time, gawa tayo ng isang gaming test na Call of Duty para malaman natin if kaya ba niya ng mag-play ng 4 GB of RAM sa Call of Duty. Kasi nag-update kasi si Call of Duty eh. So, ayun. Recording delay. Hey guys, I'm doing a test of the Samsung A06 smartphone from Samsung Philippines. Ayun. So, salita pa ako sa mic, no? Kaya nag-recording na. Hey guys, I'm doing a vlog test using the Samsung A06 smartphone from Samsung Philippines. Ayun. So, check natin. A very basic smartphone, no? So, lock natin yung focusing nito. Yan, kunyari, galing sa paa. Ayan. Wala tong stabilization na. So, nakikita ko sa video eh. Medyo shaky siya eh. So, ayan. So this is the front camera testing tayo, no? Using the front camera of the Samsung A06. So ito yung front camera. And there's no stabilization. There's no, parang medyo matamlay yung kulay niya. No? And yung wala siyang HDR, automatic. At sana malinaw yung audio for the microphone. So we're just walking. So that's the test for the front camera. Against the light tayo, no? So I'm shooting at 1080p 30 fps. So ayan, let's move on to the rear camera. I'm shooting using the rear camera, no? So wala tayong stabilization for this, but this is the test. Pag may araw, it's nice, okay siya. Pag may araw, but pag kayo medyo may konting kulay if it's mga colorful subjects, no? So hindi ko lang alam kung may kung magiging shaky ba siya, but testing it's okay. Parang hindi naman siya ganun ka-shaky yata eh. Shooting at 30 fps 1080p. So check natin. Okay, we're doing a video ng Gen Z. Kaso wala siyang wide angle lens eh. So ito ang itsura ko pag ganito ang nakatayo. So I guess baka pwede na, no? This is the Samsung A06. Ayan. Tocino, pata, patola. Ano to? Tuna? Tulingan. Tulingan. Wow. Yan ang ulam. Okay yung graphics kayang-kaya. What the? Oh, may sniper. Oh. Got the ball. Loot Fest.
Airdrop has been delivered. The EMT drone is ready.
Oh shit, nasa taas. Sakto. Nakit pala. Alright, so this is the Samsung A06 smartphone from Samsung Philippines, around SRP around 3,000 to 4,000. No? So I installed Netflix. This is a Netflix test and I already tried it a while ago. So I installed Netflix app, log into my account, and here we go. This is me. And you can already watch Netflix with this. Basta fast yung internet ninyo, and it's good. You can stream it sa TV nyo or watch it here. And I really like the loudspeaker is so nice for this Netflix test natin, and it's working properly. It's good. It's good. Mabilis din yung loading niya if you have a fast internet at home. So Netflix is okay, walang problema, and maganda yung ano niya, maganda yung picture niya. It's very clear and it's very nice. Ayan. So ayun, nakita niyo na yung mga samples, no? So sana gustuhan niyo yung aking quick feature about the Samsung A06. Hinabol natin to dahil magwa 1 year na siya next month sa akin, na hindi ko man lang siya nagalaw, no? Pero ginalaw ko na. It's very promising. It's very affordable, starting for a price of 3,000 pesos plus, no? 3,000, 5,000, tsaka 6,000. So, ayun, if you need a phone, bumunta kayo like mga, ano, yung mga Samsung concept store, tsaka yung mga tindahan. May mga demo naman sila, eh. So, para matry nyo sila bago kayo bumili, alis masubukan nyo. Kasi sa akin, it's very, medyo okay na rin din siya, eh. Natutuwa naman ako. Medyo okay na rin din. Medyo, for the camera, it's very slow for me kasi siguro yung processing niya medyo mabagal. Tsaka kasi because it has 4 GB of memory lang. Alright, so I'll end now my vlog here. So thank you guys for watching. So don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment. And I'll see you guys at the next video vlog adventure. Thank you Samsung Philippines. At kita-kits tayo next time. Alright.